What advantages does the Italian flag have regarding flag of convenience or sailing far away from home? 1. After 2 years on board, you have 2 years accrued of unemployment. Then, equality. If you are a female, we have this equality certified company, Italian flag. Many other companies talk about this equality, yes, but they are not certified by European government. Italy is #1 in equality rights. Then, if you have a pension, you pay 1,000 euros, private pension plan. It's no need because you have this Italian pension scheme, and also if you pay 50 euros approx throughout Europe, sanitary assistance, that's not necessary because you also get that included in the wage. So it's 3,000 euros, and in order to accrue unemployment, I believe you need to study a little bit, but let's say it is like minimum 6 months contracts on board, so you can start to ask for these unemployment benefits. If you really want to be employed long term within this company, it takes about temporary contracts, and then after 2 years or about after 4 contracts, then the ship owner probably will put you under permanent contract. So imagine then what other rights you would have if, for example, we add maternity rights and so on, because this is Italian flag. Think seriously about 3,000 euros net, and then these advantages if you are on board the cruise, faraway ships, and so on, because it is very competitive today, and of course in the long term there's the security that you will be directly employed by the ship owner. Thank you, bye.